travel 2-day trips, right?
Huh? Usually I do 1 day and then break 1 day.
Oh, so is this your first time doing 2 days?
I think so.
Yeah.
I mean, 2 days, this is extreme, like for this many hours.
Oh,
Like
okay.
grouse, I have done like 1 or 2 hours, and the next day 1 or 2 hours before.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, when I did Sun Peak, we wanted to make the most out of it, so we like explore everything, do all the runs. But I realize now, don't do the long greens. You don't need to. I realized, like, okay, we'll just do all the blues, and that way you conserve your energy.
Yeah.
The greens are so long.
So long. That one, the drop, last flight was like 15 kilometers. So like,
Yeah.
that was really fun. That was really long.
Oh, fuck.
I might take a break at the top to like warm up, stretch.
Should have gone to the hot tub.
Huh?
Should have used the hot tub.
No, hot tub's fine.
It has it's a jacuzzi.
I had a hot shower.
Where is a jacuzzi? You can you massage your muscle.
I know.
Yeah, pretty sure. So you don't want to like practice mogul runs?
I will eventually, but it's not a high priority list item.
Oh
Yeah, I don't want to go through that.
Just don't fall, that's the trick.
Okay.
You can do it. I knew it. So this is a blue. We're gonna do this one.
The Denver dollars, right?
There's a rock there.
No, but it says at this chart there's no black. This is a blue.
Yeah, you could do it.
I mean, you said you wanted to do blues.
Not this one.
Why not? It's so long. Yeah, but my legs are probably going to die too.
Everyone to speak. I know how to gauge myself because on Sun Peaks day 2, I literally was like in pain the entire first run, and I was like, okay, I don't think I should ski anymore. Like, not today anyways. You figure out your limits really quick on day 2.
I think I still put too much weight on my back leg.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You gotta adjust for that?
Like my back leg is in pain, but my front isn't.
Okay, so now you get to train your front leg.
Or I can ride switch.
Yeah.
Jox, you want to practice switch with me?
Sure. Oh, I didn't put my head up.
Oh, yeah.
It's like 0, so
Okay.
it's a little hard.
You gotta challenge yourself.
Hard. It's really hard to turn. I only do that when I'm like, I don't pay for the...
See? This is pretty easy tree run.
Yeah, I guess. If it connects...
But there's no way to come out though. You come out here, right?
I know, I think it does connect to something. I saw another run that
Okay.
connected to.
We'll do
We
that.
can take a look at the map. If you want to do a portion of it, we can.
We'll do that first.
We can just go in and out of trees. Right?
Yeah.
Let's probably do a portion, not the garden.
Oh! That's my people. Frank Helmet group. That guy's fucked.
You're kind. I'm sure he could hear you.
It's pretty tiring.
This is where some people are doing
Oh,
jump here.
We've never been here. I think this one is fine.
Yeah, we didn't do burn down. This is probably burn down.
Yeah, I can go that way.
You want to do that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it.
Is my still recording?
It's no red. Oh yeah, there is. Can it start there? Yes, there is.
Is it still blinking?
Yeah.
It's recording?
Is it blinking?
Yes, it is.
Okay, cool. I mean, you can, if we do tree runs, you can show it to your parents.
Oh my gosh.
You guys can do
That
it.
is the incentive.
But did your parents ski too?
Yeah.
Huh?
Does your
No,
parents?
but they watch a lot of YouTube travel videos.
Oh.
Think about it.
I'll think about it.
Don't think, do it. Just do it. I think that's
Chopper and
burned down.
Burn down?
burn down. Yeah, burn down.
Let's go.
Where's burn down?
Well,
There's a blow down and a burn down. So that's burn down.
We did chopper last time, right?
We did chopper, so we
can
do,
Sally Alley and then burn down.
yeah, the Sally Alley.
you go in the underneath the chairlift, right?
Yeah, so it's the green one. It's the green
Yeah.
one that connects to the burn
yeah.
down.
Let's
This
do
one.
that.
Sally Alley.
Sally Alley and then burn down.
Ten?
Sally Alley.
Yeah.
That's good.
It's that way, I think.
No, it's nice.
Okay, it's clipping now. I say it's clipping now. Which one is burn down? Burn down to the left. Woo! Woo! go. Oh fuck! Ooh. What's up? Ah! That way. Like this way. It's up to you.
Yeah, go this way.
This is green, that's blue. That's blue, this is green.
Go here.
I don't care. Well, which way do you want to go?
Yeah, this one. Good.
We can go down a little further and turn around so the drop is less steep. shoot. Whoa! Whoa! Fuck!